Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable heart rate tracking on your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by open settings, and your headphones should be connected with your phone. Then at the settings at the top you'll find headphones line and tap at that line, or you can go to this Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your earbuds. Then you need to scroll down and you need to find heart rate. Right here we have it. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And once you enable this mode, you do not turn on heart rate sensor. You just allow Apple or third-party applications to share heart rate. If you don't need to share it, you can disable it by also tap one time if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.